I have killed 1,000 beasts, but this one stole my heart. I found him dying in the mud, abandoned by his kin. My duty said, strike. My soul said, mercy. I nursed him back to health. I taught him to trust the hand. We became outcasts together. He kept my tea warm. I kept his secrets safe. But the king found us. Give us the weapon, they said, or die with it. I looked at my king's men. Then I looked at my friend. I chose my side. They came for a weapon, so I gave them a war. They wanted a monster. They got a legend. Loyalty isn't about blood. It's about who stays when the world turns against you. Follow for more tales of honor.